going up to the Eyeboretum to check out this really cool display that we helped put together with our friends at Planet Productions. And this is what the crowd looks like right now. And there they are. So cool. Check it out, everybody. It's just enjoying themselves up by the eyeball.
Yeah.
Awesome pick. Looking good. That's what this pop-up is for. People are loving the whole vibe out here.
Yeah, like, is it close? Because I was trying to figure out.
Family friendly. Got some ice cream over there. Very unique plans with burgers and donuts. Oh, and this is one of my favorite things, these clouds. Oh, look how cute. Look at that. Fog machines down. We got the best shirts in the world right here. Thank you. Awesome. Wow, this is perfect. Everything came together. Get your drinks in the play sand, the beach. Actually, the cactus desert area. What a cool vibe. Come down to the Eyeball, downtown Dallas. Check out this cool scene. Tomorrow's the last day.